Johnny, Bashi, everybody, welcome back to my channel, Slav. I am practicing and doing my best. So today we're gonna do some Kurdish music, so I hope you guys are ready. You guys requested this mashup from Gönül Delang. I don't know who Gönül Delang is, but we're gonna find out because I'm ready for new music, and you know I love new music. So let's listen and watch, and hopefully it's amazing. Gönül Delang, Kurdî Mashup. Oh wow, she's so pretty. Oh, she went like, ooh, you see, I feel like I speak Kurdish, y'all. Oh wow, she's so pretty. She is so pretty. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, that looks like a unicorn. Yes. Oh wow. So cute, so cute. Okay, girl. Okay. Her hair. Like, are you paying attention to the hair? Like, yes. Wow, she looks like a princess. She momomoke. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, okay. She's so beautiful. Yes. Okay, let's talk about her singing. It's good. I like it goes with the instrumental of the song. So far, so good. It reminds me of Rajbi and Fahime. I like them too. Oh, she looks so good. Hey. Oh wow. Little me. She looks so pretty. I just wanna, like, you know, shake my ass, you know? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh wow, yes girl. Her hair. I love her hair. Hey! Ooh! Okay. Girl, you go. Okay. Girl, you know me. I know I love dancing. Okay, yes. She is a yes. Okay. Girl, I just wanna like go like this. Her hair. Okay, question. Is her hair real? Like, is all that hair her hair? Like, I wanna know because I love it. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh wow. We Lily, we Lolo. Okay. We Lolo. I don't know what that means, but it sounds nice. I like it. Thank you guys so much for sharing this singer with me. I really like her. She's so pretty, and her hair, the hair is just like, oh my gosh, her hair. Let me know what other Kurdish mashup I should react, or what you guys want me to see. I'll try to do it as soon as I can. I really enjoyed it. More videos on the screen of Kurdish reactions. Go ahead and check them out, please. I love you so much. You know, I'm gonna hit you with the do, okay? Bye.